Hello everyone, my name is Vinay Patil. Today I have come with a new topic, that is electric field due to a equatorial line. Okay, there is very simple derivation from electric charges and electric fields. Okay, in that very simple derivation. Okay, let's try now. That is very important for the boards and JEE NEET of CT also, because the important that formula is very important. Okay, so you should know that formula, and you should know how to derive that. If you know that, you can change the formula how you want in JEE or NEET questions. Okay, let us solve that. पहले हमको इक्वेटोरियल लाइन के डायग्राम को करने के लिए हमें पहले उसके डायग्राम को लिखना चाहिए. डायग्राम बहुत इजी है, जो मैं लिखता हूँ ना बोर्ड पर, आप उसे ही एग्जाम में लिख दो. वेरी इजी है, उतने पे आप फुल मार्क्स लाओगे. ओके, पहले डायग्राम में इक्वेटोरियल लाइन वैसे ही लिख देता हूँ. वहाँ पर दो डेरिवेशन थे, एक एक्सियल लाइन और इक्वेटोरियल लाइन. ओके, पहले मैं इक्वेटोरियल को लिख देता हूँ. यहाँ पर एक्सियल में पिछले वीडियो में कर लिया है. इक्वेटोरियल लाइन इतना ही लिख देता हूं. अब सो लेट्स ड्रा द डायग्राम नाउ. डायग्राम इज वेरी इजी. फर्स्ट यू राइट द ट्रायंगल like this. Okay, after making like this, here you have to expand this like this. Okay, here you after make one line here. This is this. Here make dotted line. Very easy diagram. Here you consider this as P. This line is also P. P is the perpendicular line to this plane. Okay. Here what this is? This is considered as plus Q charge. This is minus Q charge. After that, here this is distance R. Okay. Here you consider theta. Okay. Here you consider theta. After that, here we come make some dotted lines to this direction. Now you can make. Okay. After this, consider this as E plus Q charge. Means E plus Q means why we write this? Because it is a plus Q charge due to electric field. Okay, you have to write like this. After writing this, this is electric field at P. Okay, this is what minus Q. So here write electric field at minus Q. Minus Q charge at electric field. Okay. After writing this, this much we have to write. This much is the diagram. After this, we have to write the consideration. That is also very important thing. If you write that, you will get the marks. If otherwise you don't get the marks, you should write the correct things what you have mentioned in the diagram. You should see the diagram and you have to write from the diagram. Very easy. So first point I will write that here. What we have taken here, let P be a point on the equatorial line. P क्या है? ये इसको प्लस Q और माइनस Q चार्ज के बीच में एक इक्वेटोरियल लाइन है, हमें उसे लिखना चाहिए. अब P is the P. Let P be a equatorial line. Let P be a equatorial line. Okay, P be equatorial line at a distance R. Here what we have taken distance is R. So at a distance R, after writing at a distance R, here see any other things are there. Okay, at a distance R of the dipole, from the center O you can write also. From the center O, very easy. After that, of the dipole axis, of the dipole axis. After writing this much, here you have to write another consideration. Okay, that is also very easy. And this was the easy sentence. You have to see the diagram and you have to write this. Let P be a equatorial line at a distance R from the center O of the dipole axis. This much is enough for this first statement. After that, second statement we have to write that. Write that here we have taken the theta. Here we get it as R square plus A square raised to 1 by 2. This much we get. So write that in here. You can write directly that. You directly write that R square plus A square raised to 1 by 2. That is very easy thing. Okay, that you have to write now. Okay, let's write that now. the distance to P from the each charge. You can write distance to P from the each charge is the distance to P from each charge. Each charge is r square plus a square raised to 1 by 2. This is the second statement. This is very easy statement and a very simple statement. You can directly remember it and you can write it. After that, let us move to the next point. We have to find now electric field due to plus q charge at P. So write that now. Directly write that electric field at P due to plus q charge is, what is that? Electric field. How we write positive charge at electric field due to electric field? We write like this. We have written already now. So from here, what is the electric field here now? So we have to find that. हाँ, कौन सा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है हमें उसे लिखना चाहिए. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का फॉर्मूला आपको सबको पता है, वो 1/4 पे एप्सिलॉन नॉट इनटू इट इज q divided by r square plus a square. Okay, this much is the thing now. This much you have to write. This much if you write, you will get the marks. And very important. Okay, after writing this, we found the electric field due to plus q charge at P. We got it. After that, we have to get minus q charge due to minus q charge. Okay, let us write that here. Electric field at P due to E minus q charge, or you can write minus q charge itself, minus q charge. So right here electric field at minus q equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into q divided by r square plus a square. Okay, here what we can write, this is away from the charge and this is towards the charge. This is what? Away from the charge. This is electric field minus q is away towards the charge. So you can write this as away from the charge, away from the charge. Okay, write this as towards the charge. अगर आपके इस तरह लिखना चाहिए आपको. आप इसके बाद आपको क्या करने का है, टुवर्ड्स द चार्ज वी डन इट. अब हमें नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड को पता करना है. टू फाइंड टोटल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, we have to do that. E equal to electric field total. You can write the statement first. You should write it. Total electric field at P. So after writing this, E equal to E plus Q cos theta you must write, plus E minus Q cos theta into what? P cap you write it is. After that, E equal to what you can take here, E plus Q plus E minus Q. After that you take here cos theta. आपको cos theta को कॉमन लेना है. आपको कॉमन लेने के बाद क्या मिलता है, P cap P outside है. After that here you substitute the value of these things. Now we have got now, so E plus Q and E minus Q, you substitute these values in that. So it becomes E equal to here how you can write, these are same, both are same. E plus Q ये भी सेम है हमारा, ए माइनस क्यू भी है ना, ये भी सेम है. हमें क्या करने का, इन दोनों को लिखने में हमें थोड़ा जगह लेगा, इसलिए मैं डायरेक्ट लिख लेता हूँ कि 2 इंटू 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट क्यू डिवाइडेड बाई आर स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर. दो है हमारे पास, 1 प्लस 1 क्या होता है, यहाँ पर 2 होता है. सो इन दोनों को मिलाने में हम ऐसे लिख लेते हैं. ओके, लिख लो 2 इंटू 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट इंटू q divided by r square plus a square ओके, आफ्टर दैट कॉस थीटा को आपको कैसे लिखना है? कॉस थीटा को आप लिख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर मैंने आपको बता दिया है ना, आर स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर टू 1/2 आप ऐसे लिख देते हैं। उससे पहले आपको क्या करने का है, ये डिवाइडेड बाई आर स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर रेस टू 1/2 आपको लिख देना है। यहाँ पर आपको ए लिख देना है। इसके बाद पी कैप को आपको ऐसे ही रख देना है, यहाँ पर पी कैप है ना, इसे उस तरह ही रख देना है। उसके बाद यहाँ पर आते हैं इसको सिंप्लीफाई करने में। यहाँ पर आप क्या कर दो, ये आर स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर रेस टू 1/2 इसको इसके अंदर यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई हियर nothing means here is nothing means there will be 1, simply there will be 1, so here is 1/2 multiply that become e equal to, how we can get it, e equal to 2q, right? It is here a multiplied inside 2qa, or you can write it as 2aq, right? It is after that 4 pi epsilon naught, right? It is 4 pi epsilon naught into what we can write now, r square plus a square raised to this 1 plus 1/2. If I multiply this both, it becomes 1 plus 1/2 means 3/2 it is. So write directly the 3/2 r square plus a square raised to 3/2. Okay, I am writing here directly. You can consider this 1/4 pi epsilon naught as outside. Okay, now I am going to consider that e equal to, here what do you mean by 2aq? It is, what is that? Electric dipole it is. So electric dipole formula is P equal to Q into 2A. Okay, so I can write that Q into 2A. So here means I will write it as P. So write it as 1/4 pi epsilon naught. Put it as outside, that it is P divided by R square plus of A square raised to 3/2. Okay. Here from what I did now, I should write that also now. From what I did now, from P equal to Q into 2A, इससे मैंने इस तरह लिख दिया है। आपके बाद आपको इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते जाना है। इसे सिंप्लीफाई करने में क्या है, यहाँ पर देखो E इक्वल टू 1/4 pi epsilon naught P डिवाइड बाई आर स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर टू 3/2 है। सो यहाँ पर ए स्क्वायर कैन बी नेग्लेक्टेड, ये कैन बी नेग्लेक्टेड बिकॉज ए इज आर इज मच ग्रेटर देन ओ, सो ए स्क्वायर कैन बी नेग्लेक्टेड। सो write it as from this equation, from this okay, r is much greater than a, r square is much greater than a square, so a square can be neglected, a square can be neglected। हमको ए स्क्वायर को नेग्लेक्ट कर लेना है। आप ए स्क्वायर को नेग्लेक्ट करने के बाद हमारे पास क्या बचता है, E इक्वल टू 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 4 pi epsilon naught into we left with P divided by R square raised to 3/2. We left with this much thing. After doing this, we have to do the simplify now. That E equal to, we get it is 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into that P divided by, how we can do this, R square is to 3/2, so square get cancelled, we left with R cube. This is the final expression we get. Okay, if you write the magnitude of this one, you can write that also, magnitude of E equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into P divided by R cube. So this is very important, and this was in the first chapter, that electric charge and fields, and is very important derivation, also very easy derivation. It may be asked in the examination for 5 marks. Okay, ये बहुत आसान है। अगले वीडियो में हम मिलते हैं। लेट मीट इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो, दैट I will do our own electric potential and capacitance. Okay friends, thank you.